Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change chat color on Snapchat. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to use this feature, you'll have to update your Snapchat to the latest version. To check if your app is updated or not, go to your app store, then go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Once you type it in, from the digital section, tap on the Snapchat icon. And if you see any update button on this page, tap on update, and once your app is updated, open the app. Once you open the app, make sure you log into your account, and once you log in, go to the chat section. Now open the chat that you want to customize. Then after that, tap on their profile at the top bar. Then this page will open up. Now on this page, scroll a bit down. Then under our chat section, you will see this option chat color. Tap on it. Now you can choose the color to anything that you like. You can scroll a bit down to get more options, and once you choose one of these colors, tap on this save button. Once you do that, they will ask you to buy their subscription. All you have to do is tap on this button, then make a payment, and once you have made the payment, your chat color will be changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.